Good morning. Thank you for tuning in to your Wallops weather briefing for Monday, September 18th. We are going to be seeing some light rain chances moving to the area as we go into this evening and through tomorrow, along with some breezy winds as we have some very minor effects from Hurricane Jose, which is passing well to the east of the region, which I'll get to more in a bit. Taking a look at our conditions from yesterday, we did see a rather seasonable day across the region, with most locations hovering around 80 degrees for the highs, with the warm spots being our nation's capital and Richmond. Lows this morning were hovering around 70 degrees for most locations, with the cool spots being Baltimore and Richmond, which did dip down to the mid-60s. We were seeing some very spotty showers across the region earlier this morning in the pre-dawn hours, and we did see a couple locations from Pax River to Ocean City and even here at Wallops receive a few hundredths of an inch of rain with those spotty light showers. As of 9 a.m., we are seeing temperatures around 70 degrees for most locations, and the tidewater temperatures are rising into the mid-70s, and most locations are reporting cloudy to mostly cloudy skies, with some light rain still being reported near Salisbury and down into isolated areas across the tidewater. Taking a look at our sounding from this morning, we are seeing fairly light winds across the entire column, with northeasterly winds from the surface all the way up to around 9,000 feet, only around 15 to 20 knots, then weakening further as we get above that layer to easterly, only around 10 knots at 12,000 feet. And then above 12,000 feet, we are seeing very light winds with light and variable conditions from 16,000 feet all the way up to 25,000 feet, with our freezing level this morning at 13,000 feet. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop this morning, we did see those very spotty light showers move across the area earlier. Those showers have since moved west of the area, but we are continuing to see clouds stream in from the east as Hurricane Jose starts to give us a little bit of an impact, mostly in the form of cloud cover, and then we're going to see some slightly breezy winds as we go into this evening and an increased chance of light rain showers. And as of this morning, we are seeing most locations around 70 degrees, and we do expect those temperatures to top out in the mid-70s as we go into this afternoon. So real quick, taking a look at Hurricane Jose here, we are seeing Jose is going to be well east of the area, and it is going to continue to weaken. It is already experiencing some dry air infiltration, and that is going to help it continue to weaken more as it continues to just parallel the mid-Atlantic coast well to the east of the area. We can just expect to see some rain chances as we go into tonight and mainly into the first half of tomorrow, as well as some breezy winds. Not looking at too windy of conditions, just some brief gusts as we go into tonight and tomorrow of up to 35 to 40 miles per hour. So taking a look at our forecast charts here, you can see Hurricane Jose well to the east of the area. Not expecting any rain except for the very, very slight chance of an isolated pop-up shower as we go into the midday period. So we're just going to be looking at cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. As we go into this evening, we'll start to see those rain chances increase as Jose continues to move northward, and we'll also start to see those winds pick up just a bit, with gusts to 30 miles per hour possible as we go into this evening and into tonight. For tomorrow morning, that's going to be our best chance to see some rain from Jose, mostly from the near sunrise to the early afternoon time period. Not looking like a whole lot of rain, though, only expecting around 1/4 of an inch here at Wallops, and we will be seeing some brief gusty winds to 35 to 40 miles per hour, mainly along the immediate coast, and those gusts should be brief with sustained winds around 20 miles per hour looking likely for tomorrow. Taking a look at our Tuesday afternoon, that storm is going to continue to move north and then northeast away from the mid-Atlantic, and we will start to see those winds quickly diminish as we go after sunset tomorrow, as well as the rain chances ending as we go after midnight Tuesday night. And then as we go into Wednesday, we will see conditions really improve, looking like a pretty beautiful week after that. Taking a look at our weather hazards for today, and not looking at any way of weather hazards for the first half of today and through most of the workday. As we go after 4 p.m., we'll start to see those rain chances increase, looking like around a 30 to 50% chance as we go through the overnight hours. We are going to be seeing a high today of 77 degrees, and we do expect those breezy winds to pick up as we go into the late afternoon hours today and into tonight. We are going to be looking at wind gusts that slowly increase from the northeast to around 24 to 25 knots into the overnight hours, and then we will see those winds start to pick up to around 30 to 35 miles per hour for our Tuesday morning. Taking a look at our terminal forecast for today, we are going to be looking at broken decks near the 2,000 foot level for much of the day today through about noon, and then broken deck at 3,500, and we'll see that cirrus deck above that around 25,000 feet with just a slight chance of an isolated shower in the afternoon hours. As we go into tonight, we'll continue to see clouds thicken across the area with ceilings dropping to near 1,000 to 2,000 feet into the overnight hours with chances of light scattered rain showers throughout the area. And we are seeing tides at 1 to a half foot above normal, and we expect those to slightly increase as we go into tomorrow as Jose becomes a little bit closer. Taking a look at the next couple days here, we are going to be seeing just a high of 74 tomorrow, as we're going to have that strong onshore flow as well as abundant clouds, so it's going to keep our temperatures pretty low tomorrow with scattered rain showers and those gustier winds. As we go into Tuesday night, that rain, those chances will move out of the area, and we will see those winds diminish with a low of 67. And then on Wednesday, we'll start off our day mostly cloudy, but we will be seeing partly cloudy skies with quite a bit of sunshine by Wednesday afternoon, with a very pleasant high of 83 degrees for Wednesday. Taking a look at our 7-day planner here, as you can see, the next 2 days are going to be the worst days for outside activities. In the extended forecast here, expecting temperatures in the mid-70s today and tomorrow, as well as light scattered rain showers, mainly for the first half of tomorrow. And like I said, we are going to be seeing those brief wind gusts tomorrow from 35 to 40 miles per hour, mainly in the first half of the day and into the early afternoon hours. But as we go into Wednesday, we'll see that system move well away from the mid-Atlantic, and we will have some high pressure building in for the rest of the week. And we were going to be seeing some slightly above average temperatures under partly cloudy skies every day, with temperatures in the low 80s and low temperatures around the mid 60s. And then Sunday, we are going to be starting to see that onshore flow return more to the area, which could increase our cloud cover yet again and knock down our temperatures to a more seasonal value of 80 degrees. And we will be keeping those mostly cloudy skies for Sunday and possibly into early next week. Taking a look real quickly at potential tropical cyclone that could impact us in about the 10-day frame. We do have Hurricane Maria just east of the Leeward Islands this morning, and that is going to strengthen as we go into this afternoon and tomorrow to a major hurricane impacting the Virgin Islands once again. And it does look like Puerto Rico is going to get the brunt of this storm as it continues to move northwestward and then north of the Dominican Republic. And then as we get into the next few 10 days here, we're going to see that storm slowly approach the eastern seaboard of the United States. This is some ensemble members of one of our global models we use, and there is some members suggesting that we could see some possible impacts, such as we are with Jose. But right now it's looking like most of the models are in agreement that this storm is going to curve out to sea, just like Jose is right now. And here is another depiction of some additional models showing the forecast for Maria. So this will definitely be something we'll need to be looking at towards the end of this week and into next week as well. That'll do it for today's weather briefing. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Have a great day.